oh, my life is so bad. How do I reaffirm the fact that no, my life is great when I'm in this mood? Oh, my life is so bad. What do I do? How do you keep reaffirming things when you're in that state? It's a perception. You're absolutely right. That is your state. That's your internal representation which is keeping you in that state. So how will you rid and break that state and move into that state of motivation?
First we have to clean those old...
Just a sec. Yes, ma'am. Well, that's a very interesting question, because yes, there are also people who say that they want to be motivated, but they don't really want to be. So yes, for those people, nothing can be done. However, if you want to get motivated, what do you do? You're saying something, sir.
I'm just saying that those impressions which are coming in the way need to be got rid of.
Those impressions which are coming in the way need to be got rid of. All right? How?
Do something, experiment, adjust it.
Okay. What if I tell you it is possible to get motivated in an instant?
Perfectly positive thinking is the best idea.
Excellent. Will that work in an instant? No? Thankfully, NLP has found a way in which you can actually change your state in an instant. We call NLP as fast forward psychology, shortcut psychology. We like to call it that because it works. It just works. Now, let us understand how do we do this. Concentrate on this part. What did we talk about? Our physical being, our body language, our physiology can change our state. So let us stick to this part for a moment. When we are thinking about our body language, our physiology, our physical existence, have you ever noticed for a fact that there are some things in your life, a keychain, a ring, a shirt, some dress, a house, that you consider lucky for yourself? Do you have any such things in your life? A person, a thing, a circumstance? Have you ever experienced something like this? That this is my lucky pen. I will always use it in my exam and I will always get great results. This is my lucky ring. When I wear this, wow. Have you experienced this or seen people experiencing this? Yes? No? Yes? Why do you think that really happens? What makes it a lucky thing or a lucky person? What do you think? Your thinking. Brilliant. How does your thinking actually make it lucky? If I keep thinking that this is my lucky pen, will it really become my lucky pen? Brilliant. There have been experiences which have been associated with those things or people. So, for example, I went for an interview. I was wearing this shirt, and when I went there, I actually had a brilliant performance. And after the interview, the first thing that I noticed was my shirt. Boom! This is my lucky shirt. And now, because I had that of being at the top of the world, and that state is now linked to my shirt in my mind, whenever I wear that shirt, my state changes into lucky top of the world, and therefore I always get lucky top of the world results. Similarly, something that has not worked for me becomes unlucky for me. The first thing that I notice and attach internally to that particular state is what becomes either lucky or unlucky for me. It's a belief, absolutely right. It's a belief. It's nothing else. And that is precisely how you can actually change your state from anything towards motivation in an instant. The way to do it is very simple. Since we get inputs through our various 5 senses, what we need to do is we need to create an external stimulus which can be linked to that state of motivation. Sounds very technical. I can see everybody going, "Whoo!" Right? But it's actually very simple. Do you want to feel extremely motivated right now? Why not? Okay, I'll tell you. First, I'll tell you how to do it. Then we'll actually go ahead and do it. Is that all right? Great. In a moment, not immediately, what I want you to do is, I want you to go back to a point in time wherein you were extremely motivated. All right? In a moment, not immediately. And when you are in that time, go back to that point of time when you were extremely motivated. See whatever it is that you could see at that time. Hear whatever it is that you could hear at that time. Feel those feelings that you had at that time. And when you are absolutely feeling great at that point of time, perform some kind of physical action. It could be anything. Perform some physical action at that point of time. Are we together so far? Yes? Are we together or not? Yes? Excellent. So now let's just go ahead and do this. Just go back to a point of time when you're feeling extremely motivated, no matter how far back that time was. It could have been yesterday, day before, a year before, 2 years before. Go back to a point in time when you were extremely motivated. It could be about anything. Just go back to that time. See what you were seeing at that time. Hear whatever it is that you were hearing. Feel whatever it is that you are feeling. And when you are in that particular state where you are feeling absolutely motivated, just do a physical action which will link that to your state. Ensure that the action is strong enough for your body to remember it. Pinch your ear. It could be anything. Hear what it is that you are hearing. And when you're feeling at the top of this world, when you're feeling totally motivated, perform that particular action. And after you've done that, just feel free to come back into now. Only as quickly as you can. And once you're back here, it's all right to open your eyes. That's great going. Excellent. And as we all come back now, just let me know that you've done. You're back here in the now. Great. Are we back here, all of us? Yes? Now, what I want you to do is, now, just think about something that is a bit unpleasant for you, that you don't like doing. Quickly. Something that you don't like doing. Okay? Now perform that action and tell me what happens to you. Is your feeling the same as before, or has it changed? Changed? Brilliant. Excellent. How did that happen? Exactly. Absolutely. Now, you've just created something that in NLP is called as an anchor. Have you all seen a ship's anchor? Yeah? Something that looks like this. You've seen this? What does the anchor do?